Hello guys, welcome back to the brand new video of YouTube channel named Hacked World. So in today's video I am going to show you how to fix the ping problem in the game Among Us. While playing the game, when such windows pop up, it's not your internet issue or device problem, but it's the issue from the server which is in the game. So watch till the end carefully to find the easy solution and don't forget to subscribe. So without any further ado, let's hop into the video. First step is to download Panda VPN Pro app from Play Store. Not the normal one but the Pro one, which is absolutely free and easy to use. Click on the install button and it will start the installation process. Now click on open button and it will open the app. After opening, wait till it loads. Remove the pop-up ads and swipe up to activate the VPN. Click on OK and allow the permissions. Click here and connect to any server of North America. Now the work of VPN is done. Now it's time to open the game. Let's check whether it works or not. Don't forget to change the server to North America. I am joining a random match so that I can show you a sort of proof. I was also facing the same problem of hyping and disconnect from server, and it was really irritating. So I showed you a solution for this. It worked for me and I hope it works for you too. Among Us is a very fun to play game where some rules are given, and when you play this game I bet you will enjoy the game. This game is very addictive once you will learn to play. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any problem or question, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. It's Pragyan signing out.
Goodbye.